Ka dorbar senong Mawkhan haka jing trilang bat ka Mawkhan Sports Club haka ni kesnem ke pemantaru kala penlong biang ya kejing pam kana senong haka bayi kani ke pam kana senong la jule man lau snem ke balong kum kejing ya kendu ke ba season snem jong ki ba anong senong ke senong Mawkhan ke balaju penlong ru haman la kejing wan jong snem ubat thamai dak ba penlong ru ya kejing lekai ba per bat kejing pam kana senong dak ba penbut ru ya kejing Iakop Shad haka por janmin hak balala ru banai dagi kusnam ceki nang job dak ba pia ru nang Shad haki kerdan ki barit reta bat ki balak khamsan lawan ru ban pili perdaya kini kejing Iakop Shad dau Shri S Baraili ubadiu circle officer jong Omyam police station bat hak ba penkut pat lawan ban penhap perda dau ba sunshine makri ubadiu kertong ikon election MLA ke parti UDP nom sning constituency kumukongsan nang taha kejing dan lang jong orang ba senong uba tebor makri ki nong ilam jong ke Mawkhan Sports Club bat kiwei ha ketika jing Iakop Shad la ro ban sakhi ka sap ka phong jong gi khon samla ketika senong ki ba kentuk mi ki kenthei bat ki senrang bat kum juru gi khon samla ki ba marjan jong ketika senong ki balawan bani sim banta ha ketika jing Iakop Shad
ki participant ki la sim banta ngai ko play pi ba pila shlur shisha ban wan ha ketika platform ban kin perform kamtam kani ketika platform ba pila ban pen I ka sap ka phong pi kamtam ba ide ba dancing nitip hari profesional mulai Mawkhan ki pun hari profesional jepi ki pun bagi dancers bermentar ski layo ban peni ya ka talent ki jepi ban kumjuru ngai khublei ya ki nong pe kai ki bawan penship penshkai mentasmi ki supporters ila abdong ki bawan ha kani ga janmit ban penship penshkai ya iwei pe iwei hang ni ga janmit dan kalen jwa nga ki bok ki greng ya ki nong ya ki sports and president but secretary jongka Mawkhan Sports Club bakum judo ia romba shnong ia dekat jongka isi jongpi bat baro iwi pewe bedolang ni bat ngai kumbang ala kuat berpercaya pi bat hari ni ki New Year Christmas New Year ki bun ki function ba ngala attend ente merta si ka program ke ba social pa Tembaro kecil susit kemdei bagi susit tagi nong Shad, kemdei bagi nong pikai rong ini bagi susit pang dasni. Banyak yang skembo bah kini baro kini nong kitang kini bah penbit pembiang kini ke organizers kini ke bah kamet ke bah Shad berkelain. Bangai kublai kerbang puai hak ni ka janbit bakam tam kini participants kini bah lashim mentah hak ni ke dancing competition ke jopi. Negara yang juga ambil isu penong. Ngai kublai kerbang puai bedon lang hak ni kini bah la sebentar lang harga competition bat ki nong pikai hang ni bat haju por shua bangan betul ke jigran lai ko play new year ep hausna tamai besuk ep hausna barjar pulai bi bedal lang ni
thank you to all the organizers and the Shanong Mawkhan. My special thanks to each and everyone who is present over here. My best wishes for all each and everyone, for village people. Happy New Year to all of you from Meghalaya Police Department. It's an honor and privilege to be part of this program. I have joined here since 2 months back. I am looking forward to work with the Shanong for betterment of the Shanong, handling matters, crime matters and all matters relating to the Shanong. Anything that comes, I always welcome each and every one of you. If you have any problem, please do come to the police station. We are all looking forward to work together for the betterment of everyone. And Happy New Year to all of you, one more time. And all the best for all the participants for this dancing competition. Thank you for welcoming us to the Shanong, and we are looking forward to do better and to do good for the whole Shanong. Thank you very much. Shnem thamai bashuk.
Ai seperti nam tai pa sunshine makri berkum juru nak tai Christie khar phanbo thak kakti